welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. When you guys are seeing this, it is going to be Monday, September the 11th of 2023. I'm coming at you guys with a Target couponing deals video. We actually have some really awesome deals at Target this week. I'm really stoked. 15 hot deals you can grab. We got a laundry deal. We have some Moneymaker deals. Just some really great deals in general. Like, there might not be freebies, but they're really cheap things. So it is a great week for sure to come and coupon at Target. And I can't wait to share all of it with you guys in this video. Before I get into the deals, I do want to take the time. This video is being posted on Monday, September the 11th. This day is a day that our country will never forget. And I want to take the time to honor all of the lives that were lost through this horrific event that took place 22 years ago. And everybody today, we should never forget and honor those lives, the thousands and thousands of lives that are lost. And my heart goes out. There are thousands and thousands of people today who are without a loved one, whose life was taken in this horrific event. And my heart goes out to everyone today. And I thank all the first responders, honor all of those individuals who served with such bravery. And so I want to honor them as well. But this is a day our country shall never forget. And I could not just post this Target video and not mention that. This is a day that we must remember. And so I wanted to talk about that in this video. In the description box below, I will have a link to the printable breakdown. You can print it out, bring it with you in the store, if you're on your phone, whatever you need to do, that's there. Also, if you're not already signed up for any of these rebate apps, I will have my links in the description to go on ahead and join these apps. So please consider doing that. All right, guys, that's all I got to say. Let's just dive right into our Target deals for this week. Of all the fun pumpkin spice drinks that Dunkin' has, this is a really great deal to go ahead and do. So there is a deal right now. Dunkin' has a rewards program, which I'll have the link to in the description, to get back points on your receipts. So there's a deal. If you upload your first receipt, you get back $5 in points. Well, $5 worth of points, and you can get a $5 voucher, and you can use that on your next purchase at Dunkin'. So any receipt that has a participating product, you can do that. So Target sells these Goldfish Dunkin' flavored pumpkin spice for $2.99. Buy this, pay $2.99, upload that receipt to the Dunkin' rewards, and you're going to get enough points to get a $5 voucher to Dunkin'. So it's like you're going to make $2.01 for buying this, which is a really fun deal. So awesome. Okay guys, we have a really nice deal for the Airheads Extremes. So the Airheads Extremes, these guys, the 4.5 ounce are $2.19 at Target. Shopkick has a crazy awesome rebate for Target to get back 575 kicks. No, I'm sorry, 570 kicks. But if you can buy it in scans, $2.28 back. Makes this totally free plus a 9-cent moneymaker. So awesome deal. Okay, so if your Target sells the little Clorox wipes, which my store does not have them anymore, you'll find them in either the trial section or in the, at the registers, but they're 99 cents for the 9 count. We have a super awesome rebate over on Swagbucks for $2 back when you buy 2, making it totally free plus a 2-cent moneymaker. So awesome deal. Okay, so we have a really great deal on this Lighthouse Caramel Dip at Target. So this is actually on sale this week for $3.29. There's a 50% off circle offer you guys can clip, and we have a dollar off? No, $1.25 off manufacturer circle offer. So it's literally going to make this like 50 something cents. It's a crazy awesome deal. Super easy deal on these Colgate toothbrushes at Target this week. The Extra Clean, these guys are 99 cents. Ibotta has a 50-cent rebate, so it's literally just going to end up making these guys 49 cents, which is a really nice price. Target has this deal going again on the Perfect Layers bars, and these are actually really good. They're 2 for $4, so you do have to buy 2 for this deal, but Ibotta has $1.50 back, which you get back times 2 since you bought 2 of them, so it actually just makes them $1 for both, or 50 cents each, which is an awesome price. Okay, so if you still have the Too Good rebate on Ibotta, this is too good of a deal. This is $1.89. There is a 20% off circle offer, and there is a $1 rebate over on the Ibotta app, so it actually just make it 51 cents. So it's a pretty nice price for the yogurt smoothies. So we have a pretty nice deal this week on the Friskies little items at Target. So the little Slurpees, the little gravies. These guys are $1.39. We have a 5% off circle offer you guys can use. That'll take off 7 cents. And then Shopkick actually has 160 kicks back, which is 64 cents, making these just 68 cents. So not too bad of a deal. Okay, so check your Target for the smaller pine saw. The smaller pine saws are $2.79 each. We do have a rebate on Shopkick for 500 kicks back for both the lavender one, then there's another one for the original, so the lavender or lemon or the regular one. So there's a rebate for the scented ones and the regular for 500 kicks back, which is worth $2. So just make them 79 cents, which is a pretty good deal. All right, guys, an awesome deal on the deodorant, the Suave Sweet Pea and Violet deodorant, the 1.2 ounce. This is $1.29 at Target. Now, this is in the trial section, and I don't know why, because this is not trial size. This is just like the smaller size of it they make. It doesn't say anywhere on here this is trial size. So it's $1.29. We do have a 50-cent circle offer for this, just making it 79 cents, which is actually a really nice deal. So good one. Okay, so we still have our deal right now on these ink pens. So the Bic pens are $1.29. Ibotta does have $1 back when you buy two. So in the end, it's just going to make them 79 cents each, which is actually a really nice price. Okay, so this deal is back for the Compeed. Our circle offer, there's actually a new one that came out, so this is great. This is $7.49, $3 Target circle, and there is a $3.50 rebate on Ibotta. So this makes the Compeed 99 cents for this 10-pack. So nice deal. Guys, we have a crazy awesome deal on the Gerber Puffs. These things have got so expensive, so this could not have come at a more perfect time. There is a promo right now to get 15% off of Gerber baby foods at Target, so go ahead and buy two of the Gerber Puffs for $2.79. We do have a circle offer for 20% off that you can use. The 15% is just a Target sale, automatic. 20% circle offer will also deduct off. Then we do have a $1.50 rebate for buying two on Ibotta. Just makes it $2.29 for both, or $1.15 each. Awesome. All right, so this week at Target, we have a really nice deal going on some beauty and personal care products. If you buy $25 worth, you get a free $5 gift card. Get the spend 25, get 5. You just go in your Target app and clip that circle offer to your account and scan the barcode at the register, which you'll be doing anyway for all the circle coupons for these products, but it is not an automatic promotion. So it is something you have to activate on your Target circle. So I've come up with a scenario that's actually pretty good. So for this scenario, you're gonna start by buying a Colgate Total toothpaste. This is $5.10. We have a $1 off circle offer, and then we also have a rebate on Ibotta for $2.50 back. So you're going to pick this up. So for this scenario, you're going to pick up a Vaseline lotion. This is $3.99. We have a $2 Target circle offer for this, making it $1.99, but that goes towards the spend 25, get 5. Finally, you're going to buy two of the Pure Zero Moroccan Argan Oil shampoo and conditioner for $8.99. We do have a $3 Target circle, and we have $8.99 back when you buy two on Ibotta. So that's going to complete the scenario. You're buying the two Pure Zeros. You're buying the Colgate and the Vaseline. That's going to get you up above the $25. You're going to use the $3 circle for the Pure Zero, the $2 circle for the Vaseline, and the $1 circle for the Colgate. You'll submit to Ibotta for $8.99 for the two Pure Zeros, $2.50 back for the Colgate, and then get the $5 gift card, making it $4.58 for everything, or just $1.15 each, which is actually a really nice price. So great. I love me a good laundry care deal, and Target has a really good one this week. So there's a deal: if you buy 3 or more, you get a free $10 Target gift card, and we do have some circle offers. So we don't have a ton of circle offers for the liquid, but we do have one. So we're going to go ahead and buy one of the Downy infusions for $9.99, and there's a $2 circle for this. And then you're going to come on down here and buy 2 of the dryer sheets. So you're going to buy a Downy dryer sheet that is $9.99, so a Bounce or a Downy dryer sheet for $9.99, and then you're going to pair in with it one of the Gain dryer sheets for $9.99. So it's going to be $29.97, and there's $2 circle offers for the Gain dryer sheets, for the Downy or Bounce dryer sheets, and for the Downy softener. Then you're going to get back the $10 gift card. It makes it $13.97 for all of that, which is actually a pretty good deal. It makes it $4.66 a piece, so a good savings.